Most people think you need a lot of money to start investing, but the truth is you can grow $100 into $10,000 with the right mindset and strategy. Let's be real. Life gets stressful when your money runs out before the month does. Rent is due. Groceries cost more than ever. Your credit card balance keeps climbing while your paycheck stays the same. You want to save. You want to invest, but it feels impossible when you barely have anything left after bills. Maybe you've got $100 sitting in your account and you're wondering if that even matters. It does. That $100 could be your starting point to building real wealth. Not overnight, not magically, but steadily and smartly. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to turn $100 into $10,000 with smart investing. We'll break it down into steps that actually work for real people living on real budgets. Most people think investing is only for the rich or the lucky. They believe a small amount like $100 won't make any real difference. That belief keeps people stuck in the cycle of saving a little and spending it again. But here's the truth. Every big portfolio you see today once started small. What matters is not how much you start with, but how consistently and wisely you grow it. The right mindset is everything. You must treat that $100 like the seed of a money tree. It's not about instant gains. It's about long-term growth. For example, if someone invests $100 every month for 5 years in a decent index fund, they could easily cross $10,000 with compound returns. That's the power of starting small, but thinking long. Most people throw their money into whatever stock or crypto their friend mentioned last. They follow hype, not knowledge. That leads to quick losses and fear. The truth is, smart investing is a skill anyone can learn. You don't need a finance degree. You need focus and curiosity. Start by understanding how compounding works. Learn the difference between stocks, ETFs, bonds, and real estate. Watch free YouTube videos. Read short articles. Download one investing app and study how it works. Knowledge is your biggest return early on. For example, imagine someone who spends 10 hours learning about index funds before investing. They will likely avoid panic selling during a dip because they understand the long game. That's the edge knowledge gives you. A lot of people try to pick the next Tesla or Bitcoin. That's gambling, not investing. Instead, put that $100 into a low-cost index fund, like VOO or SPY. These funds track the top companies in the US and historically return around 7 to 10% annually. You're not betting on one company, you're betting on the whole economy. And over time, the market tends to rise. If you leave your $100 in an index fund and keep adding $25 or $50 regularly, you'll watch it multiply slowly but surely. Real people have turned small monthly investments into 6 figures this way. It's boring, but it works. One big mistake new investors make is checking their investments every day. That creates stress and leads to emotional decisions. The smart move is to automate your investments and let them grow. Set up an auto transfer of $25 or $50 a month from your checking account to your investing app. Treat it like a bill. Set it and forget it. The less you interfere, the more compound interest can work its magic. For example, someone who automates $50 a month for 10 years into an index fund without touching it could see over $10,000 easily, even with average returns. It's not magic, it's math plus patience. Some people take their small profits and spend them, but that breaks the compounding cycle. The key to growing $100 into $10,000 is reinvesting your gains. Most investing apps let you enable DRIP, which stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan. That means any earnings or dividends you get are automatically used to buy more shares. Over time, this snowballs your portfolio. Imagine you earn $5 in dividends. Reinvest it. That $5 buys more assets, which give you more dividends next time. It's a small snowball that becomes an avalanche if you stay consistent. Many new investors fall into traps. They buy courses that promise fast returns. They pay high fees for actively managed funds. They jump into meme coins without research. These mistakes eat into your growth. The truth is, you don't need fancy tools or expensive advisors to grow your money. Stick to low-fee ETFs or index funds. Use apps with zero commission trades. Avoid anything that sounds too good to be true. For example, a 2% annual fee on a $10,000 portfolio could cost you $200 a year. That's money you could have reinvested. Be smart, protect your seed. Once your $100 becomes $500 or $1,000, your confidence will grow. That's when you can start exploring other assets like REITs, fractional real estate, or even small business stocks. But always expand slowly. Keep 70 to 80% in safe long-term holdings and use the rest to experiment. For example, someone might keep $8,000 in index funds and use $2,000 to try dividend stocks. That balance lets you grow and learn without risking everything. Let your education guide your expansion, not your emotions. This is the part most people ignore. Time. You can't turn $100 into $10,000 overnight unless you're gambling. But with smart investing, you can do it in 5 to 10 years steadily. That's still amazing. It's about building a habit, not chasing a jackpot. Even if you only add small amounts every month, the compound effect will surprise you. For example, someone investing just $50 a month for 10 years at 10% average return will end up with more than $10,000. That's the power of time plus discipline. Turning $100 into $10,000 is not about luck or magic. It's about mindset, education, consistency, and time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. You don't need to wait until you're rich. You don't need a financial advisor. You need to believe in small steps. Start with what you have, learn as you go, stick to the process, and protect your future self with every smart decision you make today. Money doesn't grow overnight, but it does grow quietly in the background when you trust the process and stay consistent. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be patient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.